Hello there, my sweet glamorous besties, and welcome back to Glam Tones. My name is Gigi, and we do nails here, in case you didn't know. That's right, nails. And today we're going to go very fall, very cottagecore inspired, and we are also going to take it super zen with some really pretty mandalas. So I am absolutely loving this set, and I absolutely hope that you feel the same way. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and color all of these different colors, giving each nail its own little color. Actually, two of the nails are going to be the same color. We have got, I don't know why I paused there. I was probably watching something on TV and got distracted. So we've got that really pretty peachy mauve color that we started with. Then that greeny sort of gray color. Now we've got this kind of peachy pink sort of color. And then we're going to go with a real pretty wine color that's making me super duper happy. And all of the colors that we're going with, and here's that wine color. All the colors that we're going with today are by Modelones. So this is a very Modelones centric sort of set, although we are going to actually use iMethod Beauty transfer foil gel, because we're going to use some real pretty mandalas from the transfer foils that we got a couple months back from Amazon. So if you're wondering where you can pick up some really cool transfer foils, may I suggest you scooch on over to Amazon and check it out. This, of course, is not sponsored. Amazon don't know me, except for when I order something from them. Okay, so now on the thumbnail and the pinky nail as well, we are going to go ahead and do just a really simple plaid design. We're going to do this real pretty gray on top of this mauve color, and just going to clean this up to make the lines a little straighter. But honestly, if it's a little bit messy, it's okay, because when you're looking at a plaid, the edges are always a little fuzzy, right? They look straight from a distance, but when you get up and look at them, I mean, they're still pretty straight, but you know, it's wool and stuff, so the edges might be a little soft, and over time they might get a little more soft as the fabric stretches and stuff. So if your plaid is not perfect, don't panic. Just use your cleanup brush, and even then, don't panic if it's a little wavy. It's going to be okay. It gives it some character. It's all right if it's not 100% perfect. Now, I did not want that color to be as deep as it was, so I'm just coming in with my ombre brush and sort of dragging it, like doing a dry brush drag through there, and it's giving it almost like a fabric quality to it, right? It's giving that sort of I cannot think of the word, like grain, like the grain that you would see in the fabric. So it's giving it sort of that vibe. And now I'm coming in with the cross stripes on our plaid, and then that way we've got that pretty mauve color and the gray color. And I'm gonna tell you guys 100% right here, even as I'm working right now, I'm starting to panic. I'm like, this is not really giving me the vibe I originally had in my mind. And then I heard, like an angel from heaven, Melissa de la Cruz from Young Nails go, "Trust the process, Gigi. Trust it." I don't know why she sounds like a ghost in my mind, but for some reason she does. And I just popped it in the lamp and just trusted my process. And then I thought, oh, I'm going to add some gold. But I thought, no, the gold is not going to work. I need silver. So I grabbed my silver polish. Again, this is from Modelones. And I do actually have the same cream gels that I mixed together to make this gray. But, which I'm sorry I didn't talk about that. I did mix the black and the gray together to make a deeper gray. But I didn't want to work with that. I just wanted to work with the polish to make it a little easier. And because I've not used it a lot. So that's what I did. I just put a little blob down, and that's what I'm doing, is using it to create some interest. And the silver, to my mind, and you'll have to let me know in the comment section below if you agree, really pulled the two colors together, the two other colors, and really made it work. It made it pop. Now there's a lot of me cutting out these mandalas, which I'm going to put on the other 3 nails. I didn't show all that, you guys. We would have been here forever. This particular sheet, the mandalas are so close together. It's pretty clear they did not intend for you to cut them out individually, but I'm stubborn and that's what I wanted to do. And so that's what I did. Because I'm touching this one so much, I'm going to have to put another layer of transfer foil gel. Make sure you do keep that thin though, because it will wrinkle up. Now on this peachy nail, we're going to do these more cross-shaped mandalas. I'm not sure if you'd still call them mandalas, but we're gonna. If it's called something else, hit me below and let me know. And then there's some cute little other small pieces that I found. And then what I like about this set is that everything sort of flows really nicely. And I'll show you what I mean at the end. Or I'll explain what I mean at the end. So that's super cute. Then we're going to come in. I have a little round one there. And then there is... Oh, I could see there I didn't have it quite right. Then there's sort of a star-shaped one. And now on the wine one, I found this cute little one that has sort of green accents around the outside to pull from that sort of grayish green nail that's on the index finger. So I like how all the colors in the mandalas really are almost exactly the colors that I used on the nails. It really, really works. And on this one, we're going to do 2 more mandalas, but we're going to stay in that same pinky wine family. But it's also got a little bit of that green color in there, surrounded by those pink and wine colors. So it all pulls together. And what I really mentioned, like I mentioned before, that I like is that the index finger is all the way down with mandalas. The middle finger is only halfway, and then the ring finger is just one mandala at the top. So there's sort of a flow, like on an angle there. I really like that. And then capping on either side is that really cool plaid that we made. So I actually really dig this nail, this set of nails. I think that it came out pretty cute. You'll have to let me know if you agree. If you agree in the comment section below, but this is how they turned out, and you will have to sit tight for reveal shots because they are coming up next. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good weekend. We'll see you Monday. Bye-bye.